Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. And in this video I am going to explain you about the theorem of NOS, how we can derive the formula of the NOS system. It is not important, but it is better to know about it. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I'm opening the notes how we can derive the NOS system. So the notes of theorem of NOS system. So let's derive the NOS formula. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that the Pythagoras theorem formula, that is hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So from right angle triangle we can know this, everyone, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So from triangle ABC, from triangle ABC, from triangle BDC, from triangle BDC. So here the angle is 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees from triangle BDC. Hypotenuse square BC square is equals to BD square plus DC square. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. From that BD square is equals to BC square minus DC square. So after that from triangle BDA, similarly hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square, and from that DA square is equals to BA square minus BD square. So after that here the AC length, AC is equals to AD plus DC. Here the length of AC is equals to AD plus DC. So from here DC is equals to AC minus AD. So by squaring on both sides, here we can see the A minus B whole square formula, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here DC square is equals to AC square plus AD square minus 2ACAB. So here we know the AD square is equals to, substitute the AD square value in this equation, that is AD, instead of AD square, BA square minus BD square minus 2AC and AD, and again substitute the value of BD square here. So we know the BD square value and substitute that BD square value here. So that is BC square minus DC square. So after substituting, so let's send this minus 2AC to the left side and send this DC square to the right side. So this plus DC square, when it comes to this side, it becomes minus DC square. So here the plus DC square and minus DC square get both cancelled. So by this, here AD is equals to, we can see the AC square plus BA square minus BC square by 2AC, and this is the NOS formula. So this is the theorem how we can get this NOS formula. So here we can see, we can find out the length of AD. So AD is nothing but the cutting point. So when we know this distance and this distance, by this we can find out this distance. So this is the hypotenuse and this is the one side and this is the another side. So we know hypotenuse and other side, so we can find the other side. So the formula is to find out the other side. So here the formula is for other side is equals to hypotenuse square minus side square, root of hypotenuse square minus side square. So we know that BD square is equals to BD square is equals to BC square minus DC square. So we want BD. So just root of BC square minus DC square, hypotenuse square minus side square, to get this BD. So this is the theorem and this is the condition, that BD means BD square is must be equal to this BC square minus DC square, and BD square must be equal to BA square minus AD square. And these are the some conditions, and let me see an example of this NOS system. So suppose, imagine that this at A point the stone is missing. So how can we fix the A stone with the help of NOS system? So according to NOS, so this distance is known and this distance is known and this AC distance is known, but we need to fix this A. How can we fix this A stone? So by using NOS system, so we want to know the BX distance. So how can we know BX distance? By using NOS system, BX is equals to BC square plus AB square minus AC square by 2 into BC. By this we can get the BX value. BX here, BX is nothing but the cutting point. So when we know this side and hypotenuse, we can find other side. So AX is equals to offset distance. This is nothing but the offset distance. So AX is equals to root of AB square minus BX square. So by this we can find out the AX value, and after finding this value, what we need to do, we need to run the chain from B to C with a links of BX is equals to 442. So at 442 links we need to keep the crosstalk at X. So we need to keep the crosstalk at X, and see the B point and C point should be in line. After seeing the B and C and other side, we need to send a person towards the A line, and we need to run the line along X and A with the links of AX is equals to 558. So we need to run the chain from X to 558 links, and the point where the 558 links come, so that point is the A. So by this we can fix the A stone. So this is how we can fix the missing stones by using NOS system, and we can also find the area of this triangle. So the area of triangle is half into BH. We know the BC length, that is the base, and we know the height of the triangle, that is the AX, is nothing but our offset distance. So we can find out the area of the triangle, that is 1.91 acres. So by this we can find out and we can refix the missing stones by using the NOS system. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and if you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.